Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Canon TS 3000 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to load paper on this printer. So here you have only one paper tray, it's here, and here you have blue element to change the size of installed paper. So, for example, if you want to install A5, so you need to change the size of paper in this way. But if you want to install A4, so make it as wider as it possible and just insert the paper cards. That's cool. Now we can print. As you can see right now, printer detected the A4 paper. A4 paper was automatically detected, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.